Hi, my name is Claudia and I work for the Region of Waterloo Libraries. Today we're going to be teaching you how to finger knit and make a bracelet using 2-finger knitting. So the materials you'll need for this craft are scissors, a piece of yarn, and that's what the final product will look like. Okay, so you're going to take your piece of yarn and lay it flat across your palm and grip it between your thumb and your forefinger. Then wrap it behind your forefinger, in front of your middle finger, behind your middle finger, in front of your forefinger, so that it creates a kind of loop. And then you're going to repeat that by going behind your forefinger, in front of your middle finger, behind your middle finger, again in front of your forefinger. Then you're going to take this extra string and just hold it between your ring finger and your pinky finger there, so just so that it doesn't go loose. Then you're going to take your bottom string, pop it off and over your forefinger, your top string. Do the same thing with your middle finger, so off and over. And then we're just going to pull the end there to tighten it. And take our string and again we're going to make a loop in front of our middle finger, behind our forefinger, in front of our forefinger, so that it makes another infinity. And then again take the bottom, push it over, take the bottom, push it over, and then we're just pushing our string down there so that it doesn't fall off. And then we're going to repeat that again. So take your bottom string, pull it over, take your bottom string and pull it over. And so that's pretty much how we're going to do it the whole time. So to finish our bracelet, we're going to complete another stitch. So again, taking it off of our finger. And then the way that we're going to cast off here is we're going to take our working string here, pull it just to tighten it, take our working end and put it in through our loop on our forefinger. So you can put it through the front or the back, it doesn't matter. You're just pushing it through and taking your finger off. Then pull it to tighten it, and then we're just going to do the same thing with the loop on our middle finger. So we're going to take our string, pull it through that loop there, pull to tighten, and that's how we make our bracelet there. So then you can just wrap your hand up, and our bracelet has been made.